Hi, my name is Madison, and this is my summary for Lab 3. So here we have my map, which shows the rate of higher income households from the U.S. Census tracts. The variable being shown is the percentage of higher income households by census tract, and higher income households is defined as making over 100K. This data comes from NHGIS, and then the data from NHGIS comes from the US Census. And so in this map, the lightest areas represent the areas with the highest percentage of higher income households, and the darkest areas represent the areas with the lowest percentage of higher income households. One trend that I could recognize from looking at this map is that a lot of our students come from areas with the highest percentage of higher income households, and I think that that is a trend that we see in college students in general, is that college students tend to come from areas with a high percentage of higher income households, which kind of goes along with what we're seeing here in the map, since people that come from wealthier areas are often afforded more opportunities. And then here's my histogram. So as you can see from the histogram, our class data is widely distributed from how many houses there are in each percentage of higher income households. And this is about what I was expecting. We do have a fair amount in the middle and also on the upper end, which goes along with what I was saying earlier about how college students tend to come from wealthier areas because people that come from wealthier areas are afforded more opportunity. But on the other hand, people that attend college come from everywhere, so that kind of explains some of the distribution that's on the lower end. So yeah, that's my summary for Lab 3. Thank you.